Today's open house property tour is at 1632 South Primrose Avenue, Alhambra, California 91803. My name is Victoria.Munoz. I do property tours for buyers looking at properties in LA County, or if you need help with selling your home, please contact me through the information listed below. So today's property tour is by the Parsons Group of Keller Williams, Pasadena. It's a home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's a Spanish-style home built in 1931. Listed price is subject to change, but it's listed at $949,000. It has 1,601 square feet of living space. Okay, we're at 1632 Primrose Avenue in Alhambra, California 91803. I want to show you this beautiful Spanish-style home. It's new to the market, and it's brought to you by Parsons Group of Keller Williams. So come on, let's check it out. I'm wearing my Compass hat. Spanish-style home. You can tell by the rooftop and the ornaments and just the stay today. Oh, I like this house. It reminds me of Solvang. This must be a fruit tree. Okay, let's check it out.